Okay, it's the middle of April and most of the snow has melted. It's pretty funny though because there's another snowstorm today. See the snowflakes coming down. So that's pretty great. It is snowing. We had the biggest snowfall of the year. It's snowing. It's about 39 degrees. We're getting a good snowstorm. Been a hard winter for people. It wasn't so bad for me personally, just a lot of snow, but I had plenty of firewood and I had my book to write and a lot of books to read. But the tulips are coming up. So we've got tulips all over the place. So they are looking fantastic. So that's gonna be fun. Got a few more over here. Tulips are coming up through the detritus. This is an onion chive coming up. And here's a strawberry starting to green up, come up. Another onion chive right here. So that's awesome. So things are coming along. Spring is trying to come. The earthworms are at work. So be careful of earthworms. But it'll be awesome, you know? Another snowstorm. Record snowfall this year. Here's the boot camp garden from last spring. And we've got daffodils coming up right here. And right here, and right there. This one got nipped by the snow or frost or something. So there's a little bit of grass. When the grass starts coming up in these permanent beds, this is the time to get it out. Get your grass out while it's tiny like this. You gotta pull it out or it'll infect the whole area. Here's the alfalfa that we planted starting to green up. But you can see all the green daffodils. This one has a bud on it right here. So it'll be blooming in a week. And these are old onions from last year. So things are starting to become a pretty fantastic world here. So that's gonna be awesome. It's awesome to see the snow again. This might be the last snow of the year, I don't know. But it's the wind's blowing, it's pretty cold. It feels really cold. I know it's not that cold, but it feels cold today. But spring is coming, and so that's exciting to see that. Hopefully this helps you to find a tulip and daffodil.